See how to install VirtualBox on a Mac operating system. Guys, so for this we need to download the VirtualBox software. So you can go to the Google and type VirtualBox for Mac. I'm using a Mac operating system here, so I have selected VirtualBox for Mac, and you can just click on the first link from that, and you will be seeing that the VirtualBox software for the Windows operating system, for Mac, Intel host, and for Apple Silicon host as well. So depending on your operating system, you can choose any one of them. As my Mac is an Apple Silicon host, I'm selecting that, and you can see that the VirtualBox software has been downloaded to my machine. So you can just go ahead and look into the downloads. You can see that the VirtualBox software has been downloaded. You need to just double click on that icon where it will be making sure to go ahead to the VirtualBox, and you need to double click on the icon, and then it will be navigating you to the next steps, where you can see here in Oracle VirtualBox on Mac, and you can just click on continue and select the destination. It is for all the users. Yes, you can select that it's for all the users, and you can use the installation type, that which is consuming around 263 MB on the space on this particular computer. That should be okay. And it is asking the password for my virtual machine, not virtual machine, for my MacBook, and install the software. And you can see that installation is going on right now, and once that is done, you can see that the installation was successful. You can just close this right now, and you can just move to the trash, whatever the downloaded one, if it's not required anymore. And then you can just go and look at your applications. You will be able to see the VirtualBox. That's where we go. We have a VirtualBox right now, so we can create a virtual machines right now on this particular one.